Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video. I hope you enjoy. This is my Fiverr dashboard, Fiverr affiliate dashboard. I got 39 unique clicks in the last 21 days and 5 of these people registered and 2 of them bought Fiverr Services, and I got $119 in commission, and my balance is right now $0 because I earned this money. Let me show you how you can do it the same thing. You can find the link for Fiverr affiliate marketing in description, and also you can search for Fiverr. You can search Fiverr in Google and you can see it. Fiverr is a great freelancing platform. Here is, you go to Fiverr affiliates, then after going to Fiverr affiliates you see that here is the commission plans of Fiverr. First of all, you join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr and start earning. It's easy. Okay, these are what you can promote. You can promote Fiverr, you can promote Fiverr affiliates, you can promote Fiverr Pro, you can promote Fiverr logo. I will show you all of them. Okay, first of all, go and start earning now. Yeah, when you click start earning now, this sign up page will open to you. In this sign up page you will tell your information, your first name, your last name, your email address and username, password, everything, account type. In the account type there is private and a company. If you are a company, the company here should be your company name, but if you are private there is no need to company name. And do you have any main source of traffic? If you have, okay. If you don't have, it's still okay, you can do it, yes or no. If you have, there should be the URL of that source. You may have a website, you may have a YouTube channel, everything. And if you select no, it's still applicable. And here's your Skype ID or Skype number. Then after that you go to the Fiverr Services. Okay, Fiverr, we search for Fiverr. It's the marketplace of Fiverr. Okay, everything is found here. Every kind of services is available in the Fiverr. Okay, and you can search for everything like website design, WordPress, logo design, AI services. And how you earn from these: graphic design. I will show you how you can earn with all kind of these services. You can earn commission. You can do affiliate marketing of every section. Every service in the Fiverr is available for you to affiliate them and earn a commission from them. Isn't it incredible? Let's go with logo design. Okay, here are logo designs. These are logos. They are very good logos. This is a Fiverr choice. Okay, let's see the logo design. There are different logos. You go and choose every one of them. I choose this one. Okay, this is the link. You select this link, copy it, you come to your dashboard, then go to marketing, and here is default and deep links. You go to default and deep links. In the default and deep links section there is a LP URL. Here paste the link. Okay, now this is the unique link for this page. This is the unique link for this page, and you can promote this freelancer to everyone, everywhere. Okay, now we can promote this link. Let me describe you this Fiverr CPA. What is Fiverr CPA? All of them, I will tell you about all of them. Let me go to commission plans. Okay, yes. Fiverr CPA pay you in pro plans $150. Okay, if someone buy a pro plan, what's a pro plan? When you come here, let me show you. Here are pro plans. Like, we go to design, logo design, and here are pro services. Okay, these are pro plans. If you sell a pro plan, you see that pro plans are very higher price than the normal plans. Okay, so if you sell a pro plan, you will got a commission of $115. Proofreading and editing $30, illustration to $25, website design is $40 commission. You got these kind of commissions. And let me show you the logo, how much commission is for logo maker is $13. When you promote a logo, this is CPA. Okay, you can also Fiverr hybrid, it's Fiverr marketplace new plan. It was old one and this is new. In the new plan, Fiverr will give you 25% of what they earned. What you're promoting. Like, if you're promoting this guy, that is $150. Okay, in his basic plan he is selling $150. Okay, you will get 25% of this money if someone buy from your link, and if they buy the premium, you will get much more. And I think this is much better than the old plan. Okay, this is Fiverr Pro. Fiverr Pro is now giving you 17%. It's great. And logo maker is still $13. Okay, now let me go and take this one, this logo designer. I like his logos and I want to now how we can promote the services. Let me show you. Let me get this link, go to here and deep links, LP URL, and here, yes, here is our link. And then we go to bit.ly, search bit.ly. It's a URL shortener, and then you create a new link. Okay, you paste the link here, and now we get a new very short URL. We copy it, and then how we can promote it? We can promote it in different social media platforms, but first of all, Pinterest is the best one that I want to show you in this video. You should go to Pinterest and create a business account. You should go to Pinterest, create a personal account. No, you should create a business account. It's very easy. And after creating your business account, you should create pins. In the pins, come to the pins and get this person's logo from here, copy it, copy the image, go to Canva. Yes, we go to Canva here is create a design in Pinterest size. Find Pinterest size. Yeah, paste our logo here, and yes, this is the logo. Let me make it bigger to fit. Yes, it's okay. Now we save this image. After saving the image, we can upload it here and then come back to this person's gig and copy the title from this person's gig and go back to the Pinterest and from get the details also from this guy. Why choose me? And yeah, copy this and add this in the details. Now for link, here is your affiliate link, that when someone click to your affiliate link, they go to this person's Fiverr gig, and when they buy something, you earn a commission. And our link is here. This is our shorted link, and we copy it and came back and we paste it, and here is the board. You can create boards. It's better to create boards like logo design, 3D product animation, so I recommend to create boards and promote all services. If you do it about 10 to 50 every day, this is very good. And here is tags. You can add some tags like logo, personal logo, and publish it. Okay, you can publish this one, and yeah, this is the way of doing it. And next way to promote your affiliate link is going to Quora. Quora is a platform that everyone asks some questions and other people's answer to them. How you can promote your affiliate link in Quora. You simply go to Quora and search for things like how to hire a web developer, like this, how to hire a web developer. And how you can see lots of people ask these things, and you can go and where can I find great website developers? You can go to this question, you can answer to this person. It's really easy. You write your answer. You can get help from ChatGPT. Then, like, after writing, you can add your like I worked with this developer in my projects and then add your affiliate link. That's it. You do it. This is how you can do it. Add your tell the person and add your affiliate link. Go to Fiverr. Yes, go to Fiverr, find programming here, go to website development, find a person that can do website development, go to their link, copy the link and go back. This is the way of doing it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Please subscribe to the channel too. Thank you. Bye.